Jay Bird and Robin show. We're fishing the Cedar Lake. Right there's the Cedar Lake. It's kind of low. We need some rain. And we're going to try to catch some fish and let y'all see we catching fish. And subscribe to everything. We need subscribers. Like it and comment everything.
And take a break.
When we're taking a break. See ya.
Action. What'd you say?
Caught a fish at Cedar Lake. Just got one fish and I'm waiting on the weight game now. After get ready to turkey season, I'm gonna take y'all to show how to kill it and clean it and cook it. The turkey season. And see you soon.
No.
We just got one fish. He's getting about 11 or 12 o'clock almost.
About 1.
About 1. I guess the fish ain't biting real good. I'll probably wind up throwing this back in the creek or lake or take it home and cook it. Subscribe it and eat it.
Like it.
Like it, subscribe it. We need some subscribers.
Comment.
And comment, we need subscribers to.
If you capture fish anytime soon, we'll let you know.
We let you know. I like to fish with my buddy. Well, it's not my buddy yet. I like to fish with blue game.
Look him up.
Look him up.
Well, I gotta let you go. It's getting dark around here for some reason. Want to see cloud? See? Cloud. Cloud. Water. Water. See, I told you we're in a drought. Oh. I think Jay just got a bite. His poem is one in water. And, I show her, like, later on today I might show you our new pet. Might. Don't know for sure. So. Got a fish today, so that's good. Not sure what we're gonna do right now. It's like cloudy and not rainy and feels better. I need to learn how to throw a cast net though. It's kind of difficult. See the mountains over there?